guys, guess who's back for the year of 2024? That's your girl right here. So, as always, remember to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend that we are back on this channel creating content, doing things that finally make us happy. So, yeah, 2023 recap, y'all. Now that we're starting a new year, 2023 was absolutely reckless for me, as I know it was for many people. But yeah, so I ended up going through a move, me and my daughter. So yeah, changing our entire living space, living situation. She just started school, so that was another milestone, and pretty much a brand new day to day to get used to. So that's been great seeing her change and seeing her develop so freaking quickly. It's wild. These kids are sponges. But yeah, and I've been on my own journey as well. I left a job in 2023 that was no longer serving me, was no longer conducive to my mental health, and it just overall was just not the vibes, if you know what I mean. So for the first time ever, I made the decision to leave a job due to my mental health. It just wasn't doing it for me. It was giving me anxiety. We were literally getting robbed damn near every shift that I was there. And yeah, it just literally wasn't safe. So anywho's, I left that. The job market has been doo-doo, as you guys probably know. So I've been struggling a little bit there. And being a single mother, and that's just a crazy combo. But thankfully I am blessed enough to have support from my parents, and I'm able to rely on them as things are very shaky and crumbly underneath me. Thankfully they are my foundation, so I'm grateful for that. But yeah, so a move, separation, heartbreak has been crazy this year. Let's just say that it hasn't been a good love story for me this year, you know what I mean? And beyond the love stories not panning out this year, I did also have a health scare earlier in the year, which if you follow me on TikTok, you'll know what I'm talking about. If you don't, why are you not, to be honest? What are you really doing? I mean, besides watching my video right now, so okay, you're right. Just watch this video and then go follow me on TikTok because it's Common Catfish and we should be friends. You know what I mean? Cool. So, the health scare, thankfully, everything panned out at the end. So, this brings me to my ups. As much downs as I have had this year, as many bottoms as I feel like I have reached this year, those bottoms definitely helped me find stability in my faith. I have been growing closer to my faith, to the things I believe in, growing my belief system, finding my footing in that while everything else is so shaky. So that has definitely been an up during these downs this year. So I'm not complaining, definitely not complaining. And with that being said, I am definitely excited to see what 2024 brings, what kind of year it's going to be, what blessings it's going to have. Because if it's anything like this past year, I gotta prepare myself. So that's for sure. And yeah, I can only go from here. Honestly, things can only get better and brighter for me, for my daughter. And I hope to see what life looks like a year from now, God willing. And I hope to grow this channel. I hope to work on myself. I hope to do things that constantly put a smile on my face. Regardless of how busy I am with life and responsibilities, I hope to make myself a priority this year. And I hope to bring you guys along with me, and I hope to stay consistent, right? Always a hope. But anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to finally stop rambling, but that was the tea on my 2023 year, on all the life changes I've gone through, but definitely optimistic. And I can't wait to see what my life looks like a year from now. But as always, guys, please leave a like or follow. Please leave a comment. Engage with me. Find me on TikTok. I have my Instagram link there as well. And I'm just so excited to be back. And I really hope to make it count. You know, I really hope to make it count this year. And I hope you guys do too. Have a great night, y'all.